Pune police has served a notice to the minor accused to appear before the Juvenile Justice Court by 12:30 p.m. and be a part of the hearing of the review petition is what we know. Divyesh continues to be with us. 12:30 is when the minor has to appear. Just tell us a little more about this as well, Divyesh.
Well, Pune police has filed a review petition in the Juvenile Justice Board seeking that the accused juvenile who was at the wheel when the accident happened, who was involved in claiming those two precious lives of Ashwini and Anish, he has been asked to remain present at the Juvenile Justice Board as Police Department under Section 104 of Juvenile Justice Act seeks that the minor, the juvenile, be sent to an observation home, remand home, because he was earlier sent in the care of his parents. But now that his father has been booked under Section 75 and 77, 75 is for neglect and 77 of giving access to a minor towards intoxicant. These two sections, the father has been booked and has been arrested, and that is why he has failed to take care of the juvenile of a minor, and that is why now the minor needs to be sent to an observation home or a remand home. That is what the Pune police is seeking now, and that is why this review petition has been filed, which will be heard shortly. Arguments are bound to happen. Lawyers from the minor side will appear, and the prosecution side will also appear. They'll argue. Prosecution is going to argue seeking that the boy be sent to a remand home for observation.
Right, be with us, Divyesh. I'll come back to you for more on that big story that you're tracking very closely from Pune. The Pune Porsche accident case probe has only seen intensification. Killer minor is going to be barred from getting a driving license till he turns 25. Pune police have now registered a new case by inserting Section 185 in the FIR for driving under the influence of alcohol. The accused minor is going to be produced again before the juvenile court today. This is expected at 12:30. Earlier, a case of culpable homicide under Section 304 was filed against him. The minor accused's father is going to be presented in court as well today. Vishal Agarwal tried his best really to evade the police. He switched off his mobile phone and got a new number to avoid being traced. He then went to Kolhapur and sent his car towards Mumbai to mislead the police. He then took his friend's car and travelled to Shambhajinagar, where the police nabbed him eventually at midnight. After relentless coverage, remember, by India Today, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has now assured action in the case. The Cozy and the Black Bow served liquor to the minor accused were also sealed by the police. Pune police have also filed a plea to try the accused as an adult.
तो कल्याणी नगर में दुर्घटना हुई थी, जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, वो सिलसिले में यहाँ पर एक केस हुआ था जो हमने किया था, एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट में जो केस किया था। उसके बाद हमने कलेक्टर साहब को उसका रिपोर्ट किया था और कलेक्टर साहब ने उसके ऊपर ऑर्डर्स किए हैं कि ये दोनों भी परमिट रूम बार सील कर दिया जाए, और वो ऑर्डर के अनुसार हम लोग यहाँ पे कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं।
रिमांडच्या अर्जावर त्यांनी मला असं वाटतं की अतिशय लिनियंट अशा प्रकारचा व्ह्यू घेत 15 दिवस सोशल सर्व्हिस करा आणि त्यांनी डी ॲडिक्शन करा, अशा प्रकारच्या गोष्टी त्यामध्ये लिहिल्या। खरं म्हणजे हा पोलिसांकरता देखील एक धक्का होता, कारण अशा प्रकारच्या प्रकरणांमध्ये जिथे पोलिसांनी सगळे पुरावे दिलेले आहेत, कुठल्या हॉटेलमध्ये तो आहे, काय केलेलं आहे, गाडीच्या संदर्भातले पुरावे दिले आहेत, वयाचे पुरावे दिले आहेत, आणि सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे जे काही ऑर्डर्स आहेत त्याच्यानंतर जे काही झालेले अमेंडमेंट्स आहेत।
बच्चा एक कार ड्राइव कर रहा था तो उस पर क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस लगाए जाएंगे, तो उसमें मैंने उनको बताया जो भी कायदे से बनता है वो सब ऑफेंस आप लगा सकते हो। उसी बात में वो बताने के बाद मैं अपने घर चला गया।
आपके पार्टनर थे वो?
ये कोई जानबूझ के शायद से कोई ये फैला रहे, आप इसकी जांच कर सकते हो।
All right, Divyesh continues to be with us. Divyesh, several questions are unanswered here. How was he driving this car? How did he manage to get the license? The car did not have a registration number. There are not one but a dozen and more violations seen in this case, isn't it?
So multiple violations, as you pointed out. The car wasn't registered. It did not have any number plates.
True.
It was pending at the Pune RTO office because the owners hadn't paid 1,756 rupees. Just because of that, it was pending for the past 2 months. But as of now, the car was being used by the minor in the knowledge of his father, Mr. Vishal Agarwal, who had complete knowledge that his son, who is a minor, doesn't have a driving license. Despite that, he was being allowed to use this vehicle, to drive this vehicle, that too under influence of alcohol. He had paid rupees 48,000 at the Cozy Bar in Koregaon Park. After that, because the bar stopped serving them alcohol at around 12 midnight, they went to another place, again consumed alcohol, and then were driving back when this accident happened, and Ashwini and Anish were killed on
All
the
right.
spot.